Hello.
Hi. So, from which country you are?
We are from Greece.
You both are from
Yes.
Greece. So you are visiting here, or you are living?
We are living in Nuremberg, but we're here for an Ausflug,
Okay.
for an
super.
excursion.
Okay, super. And that's it. So, what do you think? From which country I am?
Από ποια χώρα πιστεύεις ότι είναι?
Where I am from? What do you think?
Αφγανιστάν, Ισραήλ, Πακιστάν.
I would say India.
India.
Yeah.
You are saying India?
Αράβη.
Which country? Arabia is not a country.
Πώς
Just say a
λέγεται?
country.
What you said, like it's near to India, but it's not exactly India.
It's not exactly India.
Yeah.
Like Pakistan or?
Pakistan, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you also said Pakistan. Yeah. So it's good that you have told about my country. Now I will ask that, do you know about these two guys? Have you seen them?
I not.
Me too,
Don't
I haven't
know.
seen them.
You have not seen them.
Both of them haven't.
Both of them.
Yep.
Any idea? That's who they are.
They look politicians. Maybe they're politicians.
Yes.
Exactly. They are politicians. So you are right. They are politicians, but do you know that's like which kind of position they have in their country?
They look pretty authoritative, pretty
Yes, yes.
conservative.
Exactly. You are right. You are right. Like they are popular and they are, you can say, very important persons. So, what do you say about him and about him?
In which
That
way?
they belong to same country or they belong to different countries?
Πιστεύεις ότι
What do
ανήκουν
you
στην
say?
ίδια χώρα?
Same country.
Same country. You are saying same country.
Yes.
And what do you say?
Yeah, I would say so.
You
The
are saying
same. Yep. The same country.
okay. And like, what is the reason if you are saying that they belong to same country?
They
what-
look similar. Their color of skin.
okay.
Yeah.
Or maybe εξήγησε τους αγγλικά ότι και καλά για να μας τους δείχνει κάποια αντιπαράθεση υπάρχει σε αυτούς τους δύο.
She thinks that they may be politician opponents.
So okay. So she is saying that okay, one is in opposition and one is ruling the party.
Yeah,
like
something
ruling
like
the
that.
country.
Genau.
Okay. Yeah, she's almost here, but it's not right. It's not correct.
Okay.
Actually, they belong to different countries.
They belong to different countries.
They belong to different countries. So they are not from same country. So you also said the same, but they are actually not from same country.
From which countries are they?
So he is from Pakistan. He is Prime Minister of Pakistan, and he is Prime Minister of India.
Oh.
Yeah, so they both are very important in their countries. So now I want to ask from you, what do you think that from, like, if you see this picture and this picture, so what do you say, who is more handsome or who is more good looking?
Good looking. Πιο όμορφος. Ποιος είναι πιο όμορφος?
Yeah.
He's
Yes,
or good?
he's,
Okay, okay. So she's saying Imran Khan. So his name is Imran Khan, and his name is Narendra Modi.
Okay.
And they both, as I said, they both are prime ministers of their countries. Okay, so why you said that he's more handsome or more good looking? Like, what is the reason? To say?
Eyes.
Eyes.
Yes, or so. Πώς λέγεται?
The way he stands, the
Yes.
way he...
So you mean personality?
Yeah,
You mean
genau,
he's a better personality? That's what you want to say? That he has a very charming personality.
Yes.
Okay, so,
So,
okay, yeah, the most of the girls are saying the same thing about him.
okay.
Yeah, so
Super.
he's still very. I would say that he's still very. He looks very young, you know. So he was.
Yeah, he looks younger.
Yeah,
so much
young.
younger.
Yeah, but he is like more than 6 years older.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Hey.
So actually, he's a
I
cricketer.
want his jeans.
So he was cricketer before. He's ex-cricketer, and now he's a politician. So he's Prime Minister of Pakistan right now. So what comes in your mind when you think about Pakistan?
Τι είσαι στο
Like
μυαλό σου όταν σκέφτεσαι
favorite
το Πακιστάν?
food, favorite people, like good-looking people.
Yes, very nice people. Αλλά πες, είναι λυπηρό γιατί λογικά εκεί γίνονται πόλεμοι και έτσι.
She thinks that there must be some wars there. She's thinking about a wars.
Ότι είναι κρίμα ότι ο κόσμος υποφέρει και τέτοια πράγματα.
That the men are in poverty and people don't have enough to eat and to live and everything.
Okay, but she's also saying that, do you like the food? The food. Have you tried the Pakistani food?
No. Πες του είναι για μένα είναι πολύ δύσκολο. Εγώ δεν τρώω περίεργα φαγητά.
There's a lot of Gewürze and she doesn't eat so many Gewürze.
Okay, so many spices are there.
Yeah.
So that's why she don't like.
Yeah.
Και γενικά δεν δοκιμάζω. Είναι δύσκολο να δοκιμάσω καινούργιες.
She doesn't probieren so new things. She prefers to stay at what she knows.
Okay, so she wants to eat what she eats normally.
Yeah.
So okay. So have you seen the beauty of Pakistan? Like have you?
Έχεις δει το Πακιστάν και την ομορφιά του?
Δεν το έχω δει αλήθεια. Όχι, δεν έχω κάτσει ψάξει να.
Or have you visited? I'm also asking from you. Have you visited Pakistan?
I haven't visited. I have just an idea of Pakistan.
Okay.
But we haven't seen also pictures. We haven't searched for it.
Okay.
But
Yeah, because like before, the circumstances were not so good there, but now as the government has changed in Pakistan, so now there's so many tourists are going there, you know, in
yeah?
Pakistan. Yeah. So maybe now you could you should travel to Pakistan.
we should definitely check it out.
Yeah, because there are a lot of things to watch there to see.
Like?
Yeah, like mountains, you know,
Yeah.
like the scenery. Historical buildings. They are very much older in Pakistan.
We
so
will
Pakistan
definitely check it out.
Pakistan has you can say like rich history, you know. So
It was
also the food. I would say like if you will visit Pakistan, you must try food. You will love it. I am saying.
And the people should be very open-hearted.
People are very open-hearted. Obviously, if you are going to Pakistan, if you are visiting Pakistan, you don't have to pay. You know.
Really?
Most of the times, of the times, you don't have to pay. The people are not taking the money from
Οι
foreigners.
άνθρωποι δεν παίρνουν λεφτά από τους ξένους.
Μπράβο. Sure, that's
So
very nice.
and also the plus thing like which is coming in the favor of tourists. If you are going there, you can start your own YouTube channel, and you will be more popular.
So that's why you do it.
I am doing it for the channel. You know,
That's
I am
nice.
I'm doing for the channel because I'm also
Nice.
from Pakistan, and this channel, like for which I am working, it is also a Pakistani channel. So they said me to make the video.
We hope that we helped.
Yeah, you did absolutely, I would say like fantastic job. I would say.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you so much for your
Thank
time.
you
It was
very
really
much.
nice meeting you.
Very nice to meet you. Very nice to meet you guys. Thank you so much.